Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Zelle activity on Independent Bank. If you don't have an Independent Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on Pay/Transfer. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Pay a Person-Zelle. Click on Pay a Person-Zelle. On this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the Activity tab. Now, you will see your pending and past transactions. That's how you view your Zelle activity on Independent Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.